Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Layla, and today we are going to be restoring this amazing Art Deco table. This piece has so many amazing design details, and I just love it. But it has seen some love over the years, and it's looking a little worse for wear. So today we're just gonna give it some TLC and bring it back. Let's get going on it. So to start off with this table, I am going to use a media blaster to get into some of the detail areas on this table. I bought it for another project because it was just going so slow, and now I get to use it for all the rest of them. Then I'll do what everyone loves, the sanding part. But to start off, I'm going to gear up because the safety instructions on this are no joke. So make sure that you are well suited up, because you're basically nothing. You're spraying high-powered sand particles at it, and if you're not, you're going to be doing that to your skin, and it's not comfortable. You can check out the unboxing video for this, or before, after, whenever it comes out. We haven't decided yet, but hey, stay tuned and figure that out. Let's get going. So I'm a bit torn. I don't love the way it looks. It's beautiful, the wood is beautiful, but it's just not a color that I think I want right now. So now I think I might do a gray stain on it. Kind of tone down the oranges a little bit, but still have some of the orange. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm going to sand a piece of the bottom, stain that with the gray, and see how I like it. I think we're gonna do it that way, because I really don't want to mess up this great table. I know I can re-sand it down, but that was a lot of work sanding it. So many nooks and crannies, I don't want to do that again. So, I think that's the thought. This table is pretty solid. There's a couple pieces that are a little janky. So we're just gonna add a little wood glue and tidy it up. I think there's only two on here that, oh, and that's the other one. All right, so this is the other guy that needs some TLC. Add a little wood glue. So if you don't have one of these cool glue things, which is worth the money if you do go. It's from Rockler. You can also use a basting syringe to kind of get in the little nooks and crannies with the glue. And then maybe you have 2 basting syringes. One for glue, one for basting. Yeah. This up a bit. Got a good rest of the glue. Alright. Enough. If you're gluing something, definitely use clamps. If you don't have clamps, they're a worthwhile investment. Most projects need it. Glue and clamps are kind of like peanut butter and jelly. So, go get yourself some clamps. It's kind of close to the top. Let that dry real quick while I stir my gray Minwax. So the gray didn't work, but I went through our plethora of stains from over the years, and I found this sun-bleached one. So I'm going to try that on here. After giving it a good stir, let's try. Well, should I leave it on for a while? I mean, I know how to use stain, but I feel like this is not doing anything unless you leave it on for a while.
Let's leave it on and see.
These light colors of stain don't usually end up in my collection of stains, but I inherited my sister-in-law's stains, so we're gonna try a sun-bleached color to kind of tone down the orange that pops through and see how it goes. I tested on the bottom. Doesn't look like much, but worst case scenario, sand down the top if I hate it, right? Right. Okay. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me restore this awesome little gem, and I got to use a new tool on this project, so that's always a bonus. If you want to see more about that, I will post a video of that soon, so subscribe so you can see when that comes, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and I will see you guys next week. Stay safe and sane out there, guys. So, quick funny story. Apparently, me standing with my headphones on is how my husband fell in love with me when we were working together before we were together. So, apparently it's a thing.
No, it's when I knew.
Oh, sorry. It's when he knew he was in love with me. Because sanding, sexy,
You gotta
yeah.
tell the story. You gotta get the facts right.